This is one of the little cork trees. Josh here from Eco Cork, and today I'm actually in Portugal in a very, very old cork forest. This forest is actually over 100 years old. Notice straight away that all of the trees here are lined up absolutely perfectly, and it is by design. What this actually was over 100 years ago is this was a winery. It was one of the biggest wineries in the world. Where these lines are is actually between where the winery or the vineyard, I guess, used to be. Planted those because actually at the time planted them thinking that the shade of the cork trees would be good for the vineyards. A big disease came through and wiped out pretty much the entire vineyard, but what it left was the insanely perfect rows of cork trees that just goes for as far as I can see. Now what they're doing is they're coming back here and they're using this as like a test study and to plant new cork trees all the way down the middle of each of these rows, going to then fight for sunlight and grow nice and straight. And what that'll mean is we'll get much straighter cork bark. Then the next thing that we're working on at the moment is testing and changing how they actually cut the cork off, because at the moment it's done by hand, a very old traditional method, which it has to be because the cork tree always grows in different shapes. Now, once these start growing straight, be able to use a bit more of a machine system, which will be faster and a bit more efficient overall. But this is one of the little cork trees, and these are all numbered. Check how far they go.